So from polar form, you need to convert it into the exponential form, and it is straightforward. Cis theta, replace it with e to the power I theta. So now, Laksha, tell me what will be z in the exponential form
It will be root 2 e raised to 3 pi by 8
into I.
into I.
Now we can raise both sides of the equation to the power of 6. We need z to the power of 6. Let us do that. And now you need to tell me the simplified form. What should we write here?
8 e raised to pi by 4.
8 e raised to power
Pi by 4
pi by 4. How did you get that? 3 pi by 8 into 6.
into 6. Okay, wait.
The powers are getting multiplied. Array, basic math. So a, watch this, a to the power x. Watch this. This is the basic maths rule. Powers get multiplied. So that's why you multiply all of this. So what will we get? E to the power of I into, simplify this further. 2, 3 is 6. Will it become 9 pi by 4?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is correct. Except now, look at the question. They want the argument to be to between this range. So how do you change the argument to fall under this range? See, that's why I tell you to revise, all of you. You've forgotten completely. Pranisha, remember? And don't tell me you were not there. Okay, Reva, how do we convert 9 pi by 4 to lie in this range?
We subtracted by 2 pi.
Yes, subtraction of 2 pi. So now tell me, what will be 9 pi by 4 minus 2 pi?
Pi by
Simplified
4.
form, pi by 4. And that's why the final answer we can write like this. This is z to the power 6. So write it down. It's pretty straightforward. First, converting into the exponential form and taking the sixth power. All right. So just tell me once you're done writing, we'll move to the B part. Right, done.
So
right? Pranisha is done. Laksha, Reva, what about you?
Done,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's it. So that was the A part. Pretty straightforward. All we did, convert the polar form into exponential form, then raise it to the power 6. Finally, the last step, argument needs to fall in that range. So we subtract 2 pi. That's it. Now the B part of the same question. Okay, wait. Not the C part, only the B part. This is the question. Try this. Same steps. Converting into exponential form first. Okay, answer. Okay, let's check. So, Pranisha, tell me, how did you start? What is your step one?
First I multiplied the argument, not argument, the modulus. So 2
Okay,
into root 2,
so W into Z you are finding 2 into root 2, then cis of
3 5 by 8, and 5 pi by 24.
what do you do? 3 pi by 8 multiplied or plus?
Multiply, multiply.
Okay, the
Sorry,
cis will, it
plus.
will get added.
Yeah,
You will get this.
yeah, and then the
Now we
whole
raise,
raised to 4.
correct. Let's raise the whole thing to power 4. Before you raise to the power 4, it's better if you convert into the exponential form like we did in the previous question. And at this stage, we can raise the whole thing to the power 4. Let's simplify this. Okay, so Pranisha, can you tell me the simplified form? What is 2 root 2 raised to the power 4?
64 5 by 3 with I.
E to the power of I into
5 by 3.
5 by 3. Acha, you are, oh, n is equal to, so n is equal to 5.
Yeah.
So the first term will be 3 pi by 2, the first term. The next term is 5 pi by 6. And if we simplify this, what are we getting? This entire bracket. Just check. Okay, let me take the LCM to 6 to 12.
7.
7 what?
7 pi by 12.
Okay, the simplified form. Fine, that is correct. Good. So the final answer should be this. Okay. Now, even in this case, so Laksha, tell me, will this be in that range, minus pi to pi?
No, so
So what do we do?
subtract by 2 pi.
Correct. So tell me 7 pi by 12 minus 2 pi. Wait, no. Why? Is there a need of subtraction? 7 pi by 12, just check, is it in this range or not? Check. Is it less than pi or greater than pi? 7 pi by 12.
It's less than pi.
So it should satisfy. Okay, 1 sec. 3 pi by 2. Okay, Laksha, hang on. Just put this in the calculator, this bracket, the blue bracket thing. Is it actually 7 pi by 12? Check.
Then I put 3 pi by 8 plus 5 pi by 24.
But you need to multiply that with 4 because the powers are getting multiplied. So what will you get? I think you will get 7 pi by 3 then. Check. Renisha, you as well, please put this bracket thing in the calculator. What do you get?
So 1 sec.
7 pi by 3.
Yes, that is correct. Now, Laksha, same thing. You need to check, is this lying in the given range? Is it less than pi?
Is greater than pi.
So in this, you subtract the 2 pi. So what will be the answer?
Pi by 3.
Good. And now we can write on the final answer. All right, Pranisha and Reva, you also please check. And Pranisha, tell me if it's not clear, I'll repeat the whole thing.
Excuse me.
All right, and Reva, what about you? Are you there?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, great. Now the last part of this question and we are done. Okay, Pranisha, can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
All of you, please try this C part of the same question. Find the smallest integer such that the division is a real number. So we know the trick. If it's real, so the imaginary part should be 0. Same steps. First, convert the polar into exponential forms. And then we divide. Okay. Now, Reva, can you tell me on simplification, what can we write here in this bracket in
Um,
division?
3 pi by 8 minus n pi by 24.
Perfect. Now the imaginary part of this complex number should be 0. So we take the sign. It's the same method. Put all of this to 0. We need to find n. So use the calculator. Tell me the different values of n.
Thirty-three, 57,
Okay.
81,
So minimum we are getting is 33.
33.
That's it. That is your answer. All right. Laksha and Reva, check as well. Are you getting 33 as the answer?
Yes, sir.
Nice. And Reva, what about you?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So far, we have just done some basic revision and questions on that. Now there is one last type of question left, and then the all content is done for this chapter. It's a calculator-based questions completely. So this was asked last year, 2023. Read this out. It's simple only, just read through the information. And Laksha, by the way, can you tell me what is meant by this RE?
The real value?
Correct, the real value. So what is the real value of this complex number?
2.
Okay, so e to the power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. Remember?